Troy, great to have you out on another trip with us.
Yeah, thanks Simon. Should be a good day out in Talangi, nice and slippery and greasy.
And underneath the Navara, you're running a new product.
Yeah, we've got a new prototype suspension product in there, so it'll be nice to try it out today.
The machining, the quality of manufacturing looks absolutely excellent.
So at Roadsafe, we've developed a new shock absorber relocation kit for the back of the NP300 Navaras. Suits Series 1 through to Series 4, and it's a billet CNC alloy block that relocates the lower shock mount to give an extra 50mm of shock absorber length. So it doesn't make the shock longer, it just relocates the mount to provide more suspension travel. And that comes with a pair of the Blackhawk extended sway bar link, a pair of the Blackhawk hybrid rubber bump stop, the SB063 headlight adjustment kit, and a pair of brake lines included in that kit too. So that way we're keeping all the parameters of the factory suspension in check. On the Navaras, the rear lower shocks are both in front of the diff, so they're really prone to damage from rocks and stones. So we've got our Blackhawk lower shock guards, and that triangulates the lower shock mount up into the rear upper control arm mount and makes it a much stronger mount whilst protecting the shock absorbers as well. So you can actually tailor those two together, so you can get an SB063 kit, which is the shock relocation kit, and the SB064 guards. So that all works in conjunction with one another to give you more suspension travel and keep it all protected and make it all a firmer, stronger fitment as well.